Hello, welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machine Repair. We're going to do a test shot on a La Pavoni. This is a really well kept older La Pavoni with the dual heating element and the dual switch. It's up to temp, so you manually take it down to the standby. I've got coffee already packed in there. Let's them get into the group, and now we'll go ahead and make our shot. Dough may have been ground a little fine. That's all right.
When did it come in?
Monday.
Oh, so it's like we're burning both channels and people are burning the channels both ends, so probably the last thing I did mine.
I'm going to do one more pull on this. It probably will come through a little easier this time. There we go. There it is.
What is it?
I don't know if it's what I'm looking for.
So the steam.
Just noticed in your email, said was delivered on the 16th. And it said Eric signed for it.
Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.